Welcome to Not Forged in Fire, a new series where I will be challenging people to make blades without a forge. So in this series I will be challenging people to make knives, swords and various other items without a forge, and we will test them and the winner will win a prize. That prize will be the knife I make, because I will be joining in, and possibly a trophy and some other items. So how do you join in and what do you need to do? So for this first challenge, I would like people to make a Bowie knife. And since this is a no forge build, we will be making the knives from a already hardened and tempered steel. That could be a weed slasher, a slate ripper, old machetes, lawnmower blades, bill hooks, and anything similar that you could mod without a forge into a Bowie knife. The main rules will be you need to make a Bowie knife of any design really, as long as it has the basic clip point that most Bowie knives have, over 6-inch blade, some kind of guard, obviously a handle, and some kind of sheath. You will get points for each parameter that you do, not necessarily all of the ones I've mentioned. You will get points for making a sheath. However, the sheath can be made from anything. So if you make a sheath from cardboard and tape or a really nice fancy leather one, you will get the same points. It's just I would like you to make a sheath for your knife, because all knives should have a sheath really if you want to use it. After you've made your knife, we will do some tests. That will require you cutting some water-filled bottles, sharpening a stick, chopping the lid of a bottle, and some paper cutting. So those are the things you would need to do. I need you to film those if you're joining in. So you don't ever have to be on camera. That doesn't matter. You can always film it in a way and I can blur you out and stuff like that. But I will require a basic introduction from you. So you can mention your YouTube channel or anything like that. You can be either on camera, similar to what I am, talking to the camera, or you could do a tabletop view, and I will need to know what you're making the knife from. So that's the basic materials and a little bit about yourself. Mention your YouTube channel, because obviously this is a little bit of advertisement for each person joining in. I will do clips in between where I'm sort of critiquing your work. Also, I will need a bit of footage of you actually making the knife. So we'll need a short intro, footage of you making the knife, and then the tests at the end. I will send everyone who wants to join in an email with all of the details in it, step by step. It will be very simple. You don't need to film a lot. A bit of footage, basically intro, a bit of you making it, some pictures of the finished knife and the tests. And then all you really need to do is put those videos together as one, or you can do this separately if you like. And then the easiest way to send me the footage is via YouTube. You upload the videos to your channel unlisted, no one can see them, and then you send me the links and I will download them. I will edit them into a video, and that will be the Not Forged in Fire episode. So how will we determine who's going to win this? So as mentioned, there will be points for different categories. So the tests will have points for each test you pass. You will get points for certain things when you're making it, and there will be a public vote at the end for which knife people like the most, and then that will be added on to the points. Whoever gets the most points wins, and you will win the knife that I make to join in, a trophy, and lots of other prizes that I haven't determined yet, but there'll be plenty. Yeah, and I think it'll just be really good fun. And then in the future, what we'll do, if enough people are interested in this, we will start making swords and stuff like that. But for now, we'll stick to a 6-inch or more bladed Bowie knife. And later on, we'll go to more complicated things, and we'll go to daggers and lots of different designs and very specific knives. Okay? So there you go, not forged in fire. If you're interested, let me know in the comments. My email will be in the comments and in the description of the video, and also on the screen. Email me as well saying, Mike, I'm interested, and I'll send you the full details of what you need to do. But we'll keep it very simple. Also, there's a budget of no more than 30 quid. Do not spend more than 30 quid on this. It's supposed to be everyone can join in. So it's basic tools. That's why you don't require a forge. And also, don't spend too much money on it. Most of the things I mentioned, you should be able to get some of those for 8 quid to 12 quid. That's for the blade material. Some of them even have handles that you could reuse. Okay, so keep it on a budget, but make the best knife you can, and then we'll do the tests. And I'm really looking forward to it. I think it'll be great. I may have missed some information here. It will be in the email when you join. That will have literally everything you need to know. I hope plenty of people join in because I'm quite looking forward to this. And if it's good and people are interested, we'll get on to, I think, some really, really interesting knives. And it'll be a great competition. Okay. Don't forget to like the video. Definitely subscribe. Share this to places and people who you think might want to join in this. And it can be any country as well. Doesn't matter where you live. Anyone can join in. And the deadline will be around about 2 months. So it won't be a really quick, you've got to get it done quickly. No, we'll have 2 months for this first one, and then maybe we'll do it monthly if we get enough people who are really interested in it. Okay? Don't forget you can become a member of the channel. There'll be some giveaways coming soon just for members. And if you'd like to support the channel to help make these kind of things, there's a donation service called Coffee. It'll be at the end of the video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please join in. See you later.